everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for pumpkin cobbler that is made with a yellow cake mix. This recipe is super easy to put together and is sure to impress your friends and family, especially if you top it with whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So make sure you have subscribed and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe. 1 29-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 3 eggs, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the cobbler topping, you'll need 1 yellow cake mix and 1 cup of melted butter. In a mixing bowl, combine the eggs, pumpkin puree, evaporated milk, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and salt. Spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray and pour in the pumpkin mixture. In another bowl, mix the cake mix with the melted butter. Sprinkle the cake mix mixture over the pumpkin. Bake the cobbler at 350 degrees for 60 to 65 minutes or until a knife inserted comes out clean. Allow it to cool on a wire rack, then slice and served with whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I hope you love this delicious fall treat as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.